Imagine you're on a spaceship hurtling through the vast expanse of the universe. You're not alone. There are millions of other ships, each with their own unique journey. Now, imagine if all those ships were managed by a single entity. A company that decided where they went, when they went, and what they invested in. Does that sound like a managed fund? Or something else entirely? The spaceship analogy. Let's break down the spaceship analogy. Imagine spaceship as the ship, and you as the investor. In a traditional managed fund, you're essentially handing over the controls of your ship to a professional fund manager. They decide where the ship goes, when it departs, and what investments it makes. But with spaceship, it's a bit different. You're still the captain of your ship, but you have a crew of experts helping you navigate. They provide you with information, tools, and resources, but they don't make decisions for you. Key differences. So, what are the key differences between spaceship and a traditional managed fund? Control. With a managed fund, you give up control of your investments. The fund manager decides where your money goes. With spaceship, you're in the driver's seat. Fees. Traditional managed funds often have higher fees, as they're charging you for the fund manager's expertise. Spaceship has lower fees, as it's more of a self-directed platform. Flexibility. Spaceship offers more flexibility than a traditional managed fund. You can invest in a variety of assets, and you can make changes to your portfolio whenever you want. Is Spaceship a hybrid? Some people might argue that Spaceship is a hybrid between a managed fund and a self-directed investment platform. While it does offer some of the benefits of both, it's fundamentally different. With Spaceship, you still have ultimate control over your investments, even if you're getting advice and support from experts. So, is Spaceship a managed fund? Not exactly. It's more like a self-directed investment platform with a team of experts to help you along the way. It's a unique approach to investing that gives you the best of both worlds, control and support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.